So I want to quickly clear this. Please guys, share this video for me. Share the video. For those of you now who never sleep, share the video. I am not supposed to talk about this.
Hello my amazing people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends of the area we wanna see our video from. I greet everybody according to una time. My people, we don't carry another ogbonge matter come again. Now who we wan watch today, my amazing people? We wan watch Enogie and Monica. Enogie come debunk the video, as in the audio when Monica play yesterday, say the audio say na fake, na lie. Say if Monica really dey sure say na truth, say e dey chat with any woman for Nigeria, say make Monica open the WhatsApp and he wants to see the number. My people, make I leave una, make una watch this video. But before I go, let me appreciate everyone that has been supporting this channel. God bless you all. You guys are so amazing. Please, my amazing people, not fail to help me to like and share this video. To like a video is free. Support your girl by liking the video. Thumbs up this video for me. God bless you all. Stay blessed.
I no get girlfriend from Nigeria. If you say na me, now this girl dey chat with. If you say na me, now this girl dey chat with Ekobete. Ekobete, I dare you to open the WhatsApp number of, just open the number for us, me will see. Not the close arm again. Ekobete, now this one you want to follow me do saga. Because you know expect and say it go be like this. You feel say, man, you saga me, I'll come enter house, I'm not going to do saga with you because of say wetin happen. This one not go help you, Ekobete. This one show where you the apple so Ekobete. It not go. This will not help you. It will never. Please thumbs up this video and share. I don't get girlfriend from Nigeria. I have never chatted with any girl in Nigeria. I don't get any conversation with them. If the girl say I chat with them, make it play one voice of me now. Na so na mumu, na we be Ekobete fans. Na so na mumu. Na so no even get sense at all. Iyore wazua. Ekobete, you tell una say me, Enogie, I dey chat with woman for Nigeria. And now only the girl voice they play. And I not do saga here. I just the talk. Because Ekobete, I mean, you know, play ban. Since then, not be yesterday started the play. I just look and say, but the way they take on they go. I don't want maybe say people will not get sense. We can't get fixing and truth. So that's why I can't talk for this platform only. Any reasonable person will know say na so lies. No, wait here, Ekobete, just want me to do that our chat, when he say with the chat, so make he expose the WhatsApp number. Make Ekobete expose the WhatsApp number to now. Ekobete, that chat, so that voice record is so that guess who are the chat with for Nigeria? Me. I shop petty 50,000 naira. Me where they do give away. Ekobete, I think count how many times I don't do give away. Ekobete, you never do give away once for your life. You never try am before. So Ekobete, to settle this issue once and for all, bring the girl, come outside. We will see the girl. Since I did cheat on my wife, I'll come up for us. I'll go receive call for her side. I get one for France. No problem. Bring the come outside, me they can't disgrace me. Bring evidence, come. That one will be the place where Ekobete. Now for views. Because you know say I be big meat. Yes now. So I can't clarify this. Please, I don't get any girlfriend from Nigeria. I don't get any girlfriend from Nigeria. I no get who I dey chat with for Nigeria where they call me, I know they reply. Every other person I have in Nigeria, they are just my friends. I mean, they dash the money. If this girl say na confirm, make the girl come talk for a better video. It go be video and I love voice now. You this girl so. If you say na truth, say me no get the chat to you. Come on live video. And that's what I still do Destiny Bagwa. Eko better. Now so una still do Destiny Bagwa and her word. Una can't go do group chat from back. My wife no talk this in that time. Oh, can tell me now we're getting here. Una don't go do and finish. Una come post and say, hey, there is fire in Destiny Bagwa. So now I can't clarify. Go better. If you know say na truth, not be the one where they save with Enogie. May we see the number with the chat with this girl. Finish. If na edited number, they go know. They go know. That is why they call them. If they call person for WhatsApp, it show end-to-end crypt. For mumu people who don't know anything, I now feel deceive. Amen. No yago. Oni. Afa. I don't. My put on the last week. I've been wanted to me. Okay, go on.
Better. No say anywhere. Then one weird person go. And the person say he stay at the hospital. I say
You might watch Aisha yet to.
As you come and say, as the person the person they talk because mama they see the hospital. Come to the hospital. I say a hospital. Even if I with hospital, not be cow they do that for like human being. And that's the okay. When the only they see the hospital, everything get easy. I must still expose myself. Come back. I still not the hospital again. I every day with my two children. I leave two for the papa. I carry two for body. Because make the stress not too much for you. Make the stress not too much for me. We share it.
Yeah.
Two day with me. You don't buy money. You don't go see what you want to do. Something you can use. Like don't talk to the why your budget live video.
No.
He said the girl won't call her family friend out for 5 years. He go start about penny. He go start about a girl. He go there. He said the girl say make so many places. He go say so that girl na level. But he no want that. He na your level for 5 years. Now I say I've been where I have because they lick my nyash that time. And Monica they try to explain to people for me no say they lick my nyash that time. Now me no say they lick my because we take only let's go to recognize only let's go.
Yeah.
Say everybody be like person let's go. He said the girl told everything.
And only you know what's the most funniest part of all this, and Imumu fans still they believe her for that side though.
He said the girl say me and you do little for 5 years. If we don't licky, if we want to me, you can't tear back bola. The girl go tear back bola. Go take and do what? Hello, boy, I'm around me. I don't see so I don't give bye.
We kasuwane, we are so one. Imi a clear the floor. No when we do more.
We go finish tomorrow. Everything be okay tomorrow. Back.
All right.
I'm like two children.
My yaya we here. They okay.
You're blessed. I don't feel stress, but too much for that. Also for your courage to follow body.
Kakabo.
Yeah. Well, I don't do so much. I not do video send, but the thing pay they say they don't know where I did.
Well, with video.
It's too pay the where.
Video. Not do
I
video.
not to do video. I swear. So you can see now. Look, I don't finish.
With video.
Honey, I say I hear that word and surprised, but that time Monica don't go tell Monica not go record down.
Apart from that one, now so the girl voice recording now she dey play. You marry body me. Or mama no baladia. Everybody know my number. May you post the number. May the girl come talk. Eko better na gba e. Eko better.
First of all, like the one way person said for me yesterday, where I came.
Yes, now you got pay near banner where I can do exactly.
They go record Becky where The guy he contact us, he don't know how to record. He say I can describe how to run. Say you go take do one, say you go take do one. Me call Becky, since he know Becky, me try to ask her a question. Me record that, me complain. When they complain, see, because that's all these people they use do saga. So they use all that they do saga. Same people when they go record person. He say, I see author that is not call Becky. He say we should really call Becky. Becky for author. You call. You see, no sabi. Now I can call the teacher.
Only lads are very not of you to all defend the brain of our year. Only my way. If we are good, me not gay. Nah gay.
If you don't take one, like they come back and not see anything. But my baby, you know, I address.
When you saw partners, only here the roof where every day I have blog better every day.
I said that video, I never see
every day I have different suits you have blog you wear.
A video in la wire mwebo well iyore ya mwebo
I that's what saga oni I hear what we have for the doctor. I that was saga ma oni.
Oni de yo.
Yeah, that's what saga. Yeah. All right.
I pray my too. Okay, man. Go out. Okay, I miss my ship now. I can't wait to see them.
No problem on you.
Okay.
Yeah, ma. Okay, now my people. Now I say me I conclude here. Eko bete o wo ran agbo e o. Ori o ran agbo e. All this what we dey do now in agbaye. Mumuge. The mumuge tomorrow now. If you can't see what you not see before. If you can't experience some kind of sickness, you say now your enemy for us. Not be your enemy for us. So now you know the way you lie for your head. That's why I can't clear the air. Me I go better. Me not cover the chat again. Me you post the number more see. Go better. Just post the number. You cannot see that number up. You know if you see the number. Which person I call the chat with for Nigeria? I call the teller say I want to go receive call. I say your big is so immature man like me. Go better. I don't blog you just now. You see no both time away. You say it's not sweet for my mouth, but you blog her. You say the thing when me talk about a bow, a code better, oje camera. Oje property Lobolobo, una still use thief ratio of body. Then you see the copper thief, oje camera. Soon, oje photo. About loud the number even show. Okay, the number even show. I beg wanna screenshot the number for me. I beg. Rennie Cole, please. If the number show more your disgrace I could better now may I post the number. If the number show, I beg my number, may I write my number here. If the number show, send that for me +49 1521 046 0250. If you not get my WhatsApp number, this one on my WhatsApp number. I beg I dey wait you. If you show your screenshot for me, that number so screenshot for me. Go better. Can't you just saga me without lies? You say you get word for math. A video argument make out where you. Oh yeah, now let's go there. You get one block tomorrow. It's suit of iyore. Now, soon we wagmo. Warrior, I hear you are. Here you are, not fast. Here you are. It isn't everybody they feed they manipulate. You as the girl you're doing so then me and my wife go you call the quarrel. It isn't my man or another kind of person. You feel like that. No evidence or proof. If he sure say the girl I play you for 1 night, I play you 50K. If you not fit come out for a better platform, may you can't disgwangwan me for video call. May everybody support you, saga me. Now what you pay you pass, now you take pay for what you do so. Except say that truth. Now this course not go work for your body. If now truth, now what you pay you pass, now you go take pay. You, if not truth, it go do okay for you. If not be truth, if not that say no. I beg you will talk and just now say that number is show. I beg you feel screenshot time you send for me for WhatsApp, please. Okay, oh. Yeah, oh. Okay, not be no. Wasawe Dominica, wọn mo gbé náà. Wasawe Dominica, why is send away Dominica gun wọn mo gbé náà. Ina wazua, hello money.
You know I won't need to hear me.
Na dey hear you.
You know I won't need to debunk am because if we get more the girl, even if not true, the way they talk say you say you get weapon, you say you get weapon, but the time you say you go come inside me, what a shame. And this great photo, you have to talk supposed to they play all those records.
I don't want you play on me because the thing I say me I don't call the book and ma only do pay. Ma we only pay on me.
Wait for my sleeping. The thing I will give this grace so I will talk up my mouth. Don't let me say you get well. Don't let me say this let's video. If they talk to me, the time you go there see this video, no they talk to me now you come me I will listen to me with the shame.
And just to bring my enemy down. Go better nu zaga magmo nu su wa yo wa. The thing they play ayoyowa. Ayoyowa marry the iya ewere. Oh no, oni edowe we na ma we arahia. Area ma we ade. I just come debunk am for people wey believe, wey not get sense. Now I come debunk am for because without being told, everybody knows that in RNG. Pure one. Pure one. Hey, nah, I don't play the video. No. It do I play the video one? No. I just complain and say, if I could better say, now me, it get the radio chat with. Then, and he say I play money, Abi, I get a lot of haters for presenters who will support you, Sagami. We may not me 50,000 only, may not me 50,000. Now we play 50,000. It's not even this. I didn't even have any here.
Instead of how to play Jew, you go play. That will not be shame. That will not be movie. So you can't say that is you. Only you bad. I try to do and say, first thing you do, I just go to Jesus.
I don't know. I don't know where if I go see what he carry come myself from you.
If you want to take a set break, you don't know say you don't break his head down. Person want to you because they give person with you 50,000. And you only that one a big shame now.
Make he bring the number now. He say na 2022. We not view the number la dia na RG voice. RG pure one. God forbid. Me we carry her 6,005. Me, he have feel me 50 euro, 50 year. No, 50 year even big. God forbid. Also, I have mumu. Una don't follow everywhere. Una don't feel Sagami. Una want to go bring a regi come aside. Never go laugh like me. He said the girl call you say your enemy na lesbian.
I think one girl call her say me na lesbian, say na 5 years we take friends. Say we don't lick finish with the girl go tie rubber bola, me go tie rubber bola.
Eko bete o we hin asun wo. Jado bet. We hin asun wo. O hin we hin na we ma ime go a temper, you can't temper my destiny.
Maybe now back when they lick my njoh, so my guess I be about
Dada. You know how you get one. All right. Oh, you must be running here. Dada. So na so it be, my people. Whatever Dominicana, whatever you said, they no be a good pitching ya is was war. About Lanya Bivagoya soon. Amuno, we are webu. Ave managa suye.
Imagine, just look at these children. Look at the way somebody spoil another human being children. People that are helping these children, now see? Do you know a decent child when he talk?
Confirm. Confirm.
Do you know what your mama see for their hand? Before your mama take that decision?
Confirm.
This kind of person, you people that are helping, they are coming to saga you people.
Ije me aya will love video never way.
Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you all, my amazing people. My people, please don't forget to like and share this video.